Yep, we're doing something completely different today. We're making cucumber sushi rolls. Be prepared for this one. It's super awesome. I don't really love sushi, but I tried this and I was blown away. This is 100% an awesome thing to try, especially if you're having friends over or just to make a light snack for yourself. It's super easy. By the way, this is the second time I'm doing this video, and sorry for the lighting. I know it's kind of distracting and probably won't look that great, but I can't do this video again. I've eaten so many cucumber sushi rolls today, I think I'm gonna barf. Snaps back, and he's going long. So, yeah, about the music, sorry about that. It's supposed to be Japanese music, but in no way does this really sound like Japanese music to me. The good part is it's ending soon, so yeah, let's hope it's sooner than later. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to do something a little different than maybe what you're used to cooking, or at least what I'm used to cooking. But this turned out really awesome. So if you'd like to see more videos like this and would like me to try different things, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you later. Peace.